Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix REANIMAL game not launching, not opening, crashing, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen, or several other issues on PS5. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's a common and an important step to follow. You just have to open PS5 screen and click on the PlayStation button on controller and then select power button and then select restart PS5. Now after your PS5 restarts, check if the game is launching or not. If not, next solution is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 on your first switch off your PS5, then hold down power button unless two beeps sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next solution is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, now try to launch it and check if it's working. If not, next is to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu, now select save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select REANIMAL game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, first go to settings on your PS5. Now click on network, click on settings and click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings first, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. If not, next is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings on your PS5. After that, go to users and accounts and move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select REANIMAL game and click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. If not, next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software. After that, select system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software. Finally, select update using internet option. Next method is to check storage space on console. For that, open PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Now go to PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5. Next, select console storage and then tap on delete option. After that, try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. At last, select restore option. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next is to reinstall REANIMAL game. So for that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install REANIMAL game again to check for the error. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link I have already provided in the description. Explain whatever the issue you are coming across while playing the game on your PS5. Hopefully the support team will help to resolve the issue so that you can play the game once again without any further problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.